today. Let's start with chapter number 18, that is women empowerment. So let's study about the gender equality. So since 1947, we march ahead of social and economic field, right? Various protection and safeguards have been provided for women, children, and other weaker section of society. Yet it would take a very long time. So I'll look at the India book that is written. So there is all kind of inequalities, whether it is social, whether it's political or economic. So gender inequality is a social problem which affect our country today. So in India, there are various factors which perpetuate gender inequality and keep the status of women low. The evil is not found only in India, but it has been a part of many countries of the world. So over years, efforts were made by the women to challenge discrimination, and now women power has become to the force. So you can see that there's a depth that Rani Lakshmi Bai fought side by side with her male soldier. Indira Gandhi ruled country. Bachendri Pal climbed Everest. Kalpana Chawla went into space, and there are but only few examples. So emancipation of women has taken a lot of time, and they have to struggle long to get their judicious share of rights. So unless women control power to the rural country, their problem will not get educate attentions, right? So fewer opportunities and rigid acceptation. A male-dominated society feels that men are good jobs like army officers, pilots, and women are good jobs at nursing, teachers, and many people believe that women makes better nurses because they are more patient and dead. So when people fix certain characteristics or work on the participant group, stereotypes prevent people from looking a person as male. Right? So difference between sex and gender. So there are two kinds of difference between women and men. They are sex and gender. Sex का natural difference होता है, and it refers to physical and biological differences. But gender is socially constructed difference between two sexes. So discrimination on the basis of gender affected the relationship between men and women. So in our society, discrimination becomes clearly understood when the family celebrates birth of female child. Now gender discrimination. Discrimination between male child and the female child starts from the very beginning. Quite often जो birth है girl child का, it is considered as unwelcome liability on her parents. So this type of mentally on the part of the parent creates a bias, and even home girl, a girl child does not get the same treatment. So most of the people in our country think the girls meant only for housekeeping jobs. उन्हें लगता है कि घर का काम करे छुट्टी. Now types of gender discrimination. So we have gender discrimination, social field. So social field inequalities between both the gender. So women mortality rate जो है country में वो much higher as compared to men. Another factor is discrimination social field. मतलब natal discrimination होता है, right? So we can say that many of the families of our country prefer male child to a female child. Discrimination in economic field with gender discrimination clearly visible है various sector में से employment, occupation. So we can say since they are not supposed to be hard worker, they are incapable of coming from distant places, and they are not fit for night duties, right? They have to face discrimination in terms of wages and allowance. Various factors of gender discrimination, even today various types of gender discrimination are there in our country, which are as follow. Inferior status. Women's को society में as inferior देखा जाता है. Female intensified मीन्स अगर बर्थ हो रहा है गर्ल चाइल्ड का, इट इज स्टिल अनवेलकम. बहुत से सोसाइटीज रहते हैं कि वो अब भी अनवेलकम है. नाउ गर्ल्स एजुकेशन, ऑल ऑफ द गर्ल चाइल्ड इज नॉट सेंट टू स्कूल फॉर एजुकेशन, इसे हम लाइबिलिटी कहते हैं. चाइल्ड मैरिज मीन्स गर्ल चाइल्ड इज मैरिड एट वेरी यंग एज, राइट. डॉरी सिस्टम, अब दहेज दिया जाता है, मनी दिया जाता है, वैल्यूएबल गुड्स दिया जाता है लड़की के इन लॉ स्कूल. ड्यू टू देयर सोशल इवेंट मेनी गर्ल्स रिमेन अनमैरिड एंड देयर पेरेंट्स कैन नॉट अफोर्ड देयर. वे बहुत से ऐसे पेरेंट्स होते हैं नहीं दे पाते हैं डॉरी. Now the sati system is most despicable social evil in which widow are forced to burn herself with her husband. ठीक है. फाउंडर कौन था? ब्राह्मो समाज का, राइट. सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स फॉर एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ वुमेन. देयर आर मेनी सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स लाइक वी हैव राजा राम मोहन रॉय, ईश्वरचंद विद्यासागर, स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती, स्वामी विवेकानंद and Syed Ahmad Khan. Due to constant efforts of these social reformers, what happened in 19th century, condition of women has improved a lot. Many of the social evils such as dowry system, sati, child marriage, polygamy, female infanticide, they all are prohibited. Right? Many government programs has also been launched. So let's study about right to vote. After independence, democratic right जो था वोट करने का, वो आप सब लोगों को मिलेगा. आप उसको जेंडर के बेस पे, कास्ट के बेस पे, रिलीजन के बेस पे डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते. Equal share of property. The women are not now entitled to have equal share as men in the property of their parents. Prohibition of dowry. It is prohibited that dowry deaths has come to a large extent. Women education. So with the initiative of the government, free education is being provided to most important factor of women empowerment. So it is essential that education of movement, women should be made compulsory in the whole country. Next is learning for change. In 19th century, early 27th century, several women learned to read and write themselves. ठीक है, लिखना सीखा. Right? In the past, जो skills थी reading की, writing was known to only few. Most of the children, they learned the work their families or elder did. Right? For example, pottery हो गया, daughter or women collected muds and they prepared the earthen pots from them. Right? So in 19th century, many scholars opened communities that have never learned reading and writing, started sending their children to school. और अपने बच्चों को उन्होंने क्या करा, स्कूल भेजना शुरू करा. And slowly many women and men came forward to open the school for girl child. Learning to read and write led some women to question the situation of women in the society. वही वजह, वो पढ़ लिख लिए तो उन्होंने क्वेश्चनिंग करना स्टार्ट करा. तो आपके पंडिता रामाबाई, शी लर्न टू रीड एंड राइट फ्रॉम हर पेरेंट्स. शी कुड ऑल्सो रीड एंड राइट संस्कृत. उसको टाइटल दिया गया पंडिता. और जो सबसे रिमार्केबल अचीवमेंट था, दैट इज दे वर नॉट अलाउड सच नॉलेज. वो इन 1898 सी सेट अप अ मिशन वेयर एट खेडगांव नियर थूने, where widows and poor women were taught to read and write. They also taught a variety of skills from carpentry to running a printing press to become independent earner. Now, autobiography of Raj Sundari Devi. So, Raj Sundari Devi was born in West Bengal and at the age of 60, she wrote her autobiography in Bangla language and she was a housewife from rich landlord family. Her autobiography titled Amar Jeevan, first known autobiography that is written by India. फिर सुल्तान्स ड्रीम और आपका रोकिया शेखवत हुसैन. शी लर्न इंग्लिश विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ हर एल्डर ब्रदर एंड एल्डर सिस्टर. एट द एज ऑफ 25 इन्होंने एक स्टोरी लिखी जिसका टाइटल था सुल्तान ड्रीम इन 1903. Their women had the freedom to study, work and creative inventions like controlling rain from the clouds and flying aircars. Now schooling and education today. Unlike Raj Sundari Devi, who has not allowed to learn reading, writing, large number of girls attend the school in India today. Despite this, many girls leave school for reason for discrimination, poverty or inadequate schooling facility. According to 1961 census, about 40% of boys and men were literate and to just 15% of girls and women. In recent 2001, 76% of boys are literate to 50%. अगर हम बात करें 2011 की सेंसस की, दलित, आदिवासी and Muslims girls, they are less likely to stay in school than other communities. In rural and poor areas, they have been proper school, not regular teachers who are there. So if the school is not close to the people whom there is no transport, भाई buses नहीं होती तो जा नहीं पाते. Now feminist movement. Gender division is a form of hierarchical social division. Further, the gender division tends to be understood as not. भाई देखो ये नेचुरल है और अनचेंजेबल. वही ना, जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अगर हमारे माइंड में रहेगा तो हम करेंगे, राइट? कुछ एक्सेप्टेशंस भी होते हैं, कुछ स्टेरियोटाइप्स भी होते हैं. सो बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आर ब्रॉट अप टू बी द मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ वुमेन इज हाउस वर्क एंड ब्रिंग अप. भाई बॉयज को ये लगता है कि इनका काम है घर में रहो, काम करो और बच्चे संभालो, बट इट इज नॉट देयर. Women do all the work inside the home, such as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, tailoring, looking after children, and men do all the work that is outside. But with the result is the division of labor. So we can say that only men were allowed to participate in public affairs, votes, and contents of public office. Gradually, gender issue raised in politics, women in different parts of the world organized and educated equal rights. More radical movements were held, right? Struggle for the change for the improvement in the situation of women and girls in the sphere of education, land reform, violence, health, political state. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Women's movement, feminism. A woman or a men who believe in equal rights and opportunity for women, and men is called feminist. Men को क्या बोला जाता है? Feminist. Political expression or gender division help to improve women's role in public life. like women working as scientist, doctor, engineer, lawyer, manager, college, university, teacher, and they are doing different job. जो सिचुएशन है वुमेन की फैमिली में और सोसाइटी में, वो इशू रिलेटेड टू वुमेन्स वेलबींग और अदरवाइज नॉट गिवन एजुकेटेड. दिस हैज लेड टू मेनी फेमिनिस्ट एंड वुमेन मूवमेंट्स, जिसने क्या करा है, वुमेन को कंट्रोल, जो वुमेन की पावर है उस पर कंट्रोल करा. राइट, सो दिस इज व्हाट अ पंचायती राज हैज डन इन इंडिया. 1/3 ऑफ द सीट क्या करी उन्होंने पंचायत में, म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज में वुमेन्स के लिए रिजर्व करी. राइट, सबसे अच्छा स्टेप है. A bill with the proposal had been pending before the parliament for more than a decade, but there is no consensus over a bill. Different strategies have been used for the spread awareness. Awareness on women right issue has been straight play karwaye, songs ke through and by public means. Campaigning हुई, women spoke out against the failure of the government to bring cases of dowry that as justice. Right, women's group campaigned by coming onto the street, approaching courts and sharing, and become public issue for the newspaper. So, efforts made by movement led to Supreme Court to formulate guidelines in 1997. What sexual harassment protect women को at workplace, and we can say that इसे हम domestic violence है. जब आप physically, mentally harass कर रहे हो women को, इसे क्या बोला जाता है? Sexual harassment. Right, now efforts made by the government for gender equality and empowerment. So women were given equal right to vote. Attainment of independence in 1947 was a great achievement for people of India. Women को भी क्या मिल गया? Right to vote मिल गया. In pre-independence day, the British government allowed not only men own properly, but they were educated to vote. Before independence, only a small minority has allowed to vote and therefore came together to determine the fate of majority. जिसमें गांधी जी ने क्या डिमांड करा? More political rights for the Indian women. Equal money for equal work. Constitutional provision should be properly implemented. Equal money for equal work for both men and women. Right? Is one of the directive principles. Still women labor is being exploited. बहुत जगह अब भी women labor को क्या करा जा रहा है? Exploit करा जा रहा है. Declaring dowry illegal. Dowry is a major evil in our society. This is born out of lust of money or a part of two. So a national commission for women was set up in 1992, which has been empowered to examine matters concerning women. जैसे dowry हो गया, deaths हो गया, sexual harassment हो गया. Now women education. Poverty is appalling in our country. Poor has hardly sent children to school. Instead, they accept that children to help at home, especially girl child. Right? More emphasis is being laid on women education and on people living in slum. Education up to its standard in all the institutions maintained out of state funds. They are made free. Right? Now, the chapter has been completed. Let's move to the exercise. Now, International Women Day is celebrated on 8th March. Dash climb the Everest, that is Bachendri Pass. That is the important principle of old constitution. That is your equality. Dash is the first woman engine driver. That is V. Lakshmi Latra. Within the initiative of the government, Dash is being provided to girls in several states. Laws have been passed against dowry. Women in our society are treated as to male counterpart. This mentality is reflected in increasing number of female. This mentality is reflecting in the increase of number of female fratricides. Dash between a male child and the female child starts from very beginning. Discrimination. तो सबको ही पता है. Right, T for true and F for false statement. First is local government bodies have no reservation for women. False. Women cannot organize themselves. False. Now they can organize. Movement needs passion and efforts. It's true. Many girls leave school because of discrimination, poverty, inadequate. It's true. Most family girls are encouraged to see marriage as the main aim in life. Yes, true. There are many kinds of differences between men and women. Extreme. Now match the following. Pandita Ramabai, Khedgaon. Ras Sundari, 1858 to 1922. Sultan's Dream was first autobiography. Aman Ziban, 1800 to 1898, 8 March. (1898-1905) International Women's Day, 8 March. Now answers are following. How is emancipation of women not yet complete? How did political expression of gender division help to improve women's role? What is women's movement? Discuss the need and results of feminist thinking. How and why and how several women struggled to learn reading and writing. How did women movement raise voice against dowry? What is women's movement? आपको method of struggles बताने, right? While learning alphabet is so important to women like Ras Sundari Devi, how do stereotypes about women can affect women right to equality? That you have to tell. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.